Hello, I'm Karol, the co-founder of SPIC and SPAN Home and Office Cleaning. Today, I'd like to discuss a deeply sensitive yet profoundly essential topic: the compassionate journey of hoarding cleanup services. Our team has invested in understanding the intricacies of this field. We grasp the profound challenges individuals face and are devoted to being there every step of the way. To us, it's more than just cleaning. It's about offering a steady hand in turbulent times. We commit to providing unwavering, non judgmental support throughout this transformative process. Recognizing how overwhelming such circumstances can be, we are here not just as a service, but as your compassionate guides on your journey. Your privacy is sacred to us. We promise to handle your personal belongings with the utmost care, ensuring that our process is discreet and respectful, safeguarding your confidentiality at every turn. Each hoarding situation tells its own story, requiring its own solutions. Acknowledging this, we custom fit our approach to resonate with your unique needs. From detailed organization and systematic sorting to efficient disposal and deep cleaning, we have the expertise to bring clarity to any situation. But here's my genuine request: let's unburden you from the weight of clutter. Let's help you rediscover your space and, more importantly, rediscover yourself. Our mission is to empower you to step into the future free of constraints and overflowing with potential. Connect with us at your earliest convenience or drop by our website at speakandspan.net. Here, you can gather more information or book our services tailored to your needs. Let's embark on a journey to uncover the joy of a home that truly reflects your essence. Together, we can transform chaos into serenity and disorder into a harmonious symphony.